Experiencing issues with your Rogers Ignite TV box? Resetting is often the quickest solution. There are two main types of resets: a cache clear, also known as a soft reset, and a full system refresh or factory reset. A cache clear removes temporary files and cached data, resolving minor glitches like slow loading or buffering, without erasing your settings or recordings. To perform a cache clear, either power off the box, unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, and plug it back in, or press and hold the exit button on your remote for 5 seconds to force a restart. A full system refresh, on the other hand, restores the box to its original factory settings, erasing all user data, customizations, and recorded content. This is used for more persistent problems like corrupted firmware. Access this option through Settings, Device Settings, Reset Box. Note that this requires your PIN and will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Always try a cache clear first, as a full system refresh is irreversible for your saved data. Backup recordings if possible. Remember, resets won't fix hardware or internet issues. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you're experiencing persistent buffering issues during peak hours. First, try a cache clear using the remote's exit button method. If the problem persists, proceed with a full system refresh through the Settings menu, remembering your PIN. After the refresh, you'll need to reset up your box via the My Rogers app or on-screen prompts, re-entering your credentials. Important tips to keep in mind. Rogers recommends managing resets via the My Rogers app for remote diagnostics and one-click cache clears. Before any reset, always test your internet speed to rule out connectivity issues. Aim for at least 100 megabytes/s. If issues continue after a reset, contact Rogers support for advanced diagnostics. For optimal performance, consider a preventive cache clear every 1 to 2 weeks, especially after firmware updates. With these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve most common Rogers Ignite TV box issues.